China builds more than 200,000 different kinds of machines. Machines for products you use every day, and machines you probably never knew existed. Most people who search for Chinese machines online keep seeing the same three results over and over: the laser engraver, the t-shirt printer, the small 3D printer. That happens because those are simply the ones the algorithm shows first. Behind those results, buried inside catalogs, almost nobody opens. There are machines that quietly manufacture products people buy every single day, and almost nobody is importing them yet. That gap is exactly where the opportunity lives. Today, I am going to walk you through 18 machines from China that are still flying under the radar in 2026. Not because they are expensive or complicated, but because nobody is looking for them yet. Stick around until number 18, because it is the simplest machine on this entire list and also the hardest one to lose money with. All of these machines can be found on Alibaba, and I am leaving every link organized in the description below. Let us get started. Ask yourself something. When was the last time a plain scoop of vanilla actually impressed anyone? People do not line up for an ordinary cone anymore. They line up for something that looks different and worth filming. For somewhere between $800 and $2,500 on Alibaba, you can find a compact machine built for hard ice cream and real Italian-style gelato, the dense, creamy kind served with a flat spatula. You pour the mixture into the vertical cylinder, close the lid, and in about 15 minutes, a full batch is ready. In 1 hour, it can churn out roughly 12 kilos, close to 160 servings. Small gelato shops running on one location report monthly revenue between $4,000 and $8,000 because a serving that costs pennies to make sells for several dollars in the display case. This is the priciest machine on the list, somewhere between $5,000 and $15,000. But the business behind it makes the price worth it. Think about how many paper cups get thrown away in your city in a single day. Millions. Most of them are shipped in from somewhere else, and as more regions move away from plastic, paper cups have gone from optional to required. This fully automatic takes rolls of food-grade coated paper, shapes them into cups, seals the bottom, and stacks them without any manual work. It produces cups from 6 to 22 ounces at close to 100 per minute. Branding a cup with a coffee shop logo lets you charge nearly double for almost no extra cost. Producers supplying local coffee shops and catering companies on repeat weekly orders report between $6,000 and $15,000 a month. Watching solid metal turn into liquid in under 2 minutes is one of those things that never gets old to watch, and it makes for extremely shareable video content. This compact induction furnace heats metal from the inside out, reaching around 1600 degrees, hot enough to melt gold, silver, copper, and aluminum. Prices range from $500 to $3,000, depending on whether you why just the furnace or a full kit with molds and tools. Small jewelry workshops using equipment like this report between $3,000 and $10,000 a month, melting their own material, recycling old jewelry, and casting original designs. Nobody thinks about where the white magic sponge in their kitchen came from. It just wears out and gets replaced over and over in millions of homes. That constant invisible demand is the entire business. This machine slices a large foam block into dozens of individuals. Each one costs a few cents to produce and retails for 50 cents to $2. People supplying hardware stores and supermarkets with their own house brand report between $2,000 and $5,000 a month. The machine itself runs from $500 to $2,000 on Alibaba. Craft beer keeps growing worldwide, but very few local breweries actually have their own recipe and identity. This all-in-one brewing system produces around 50 to 70 liters per batch and includes the mash kettle, fermentation tanks, cooling system, and control panel, all mounted on a rolling cart. For around $3,800, you get what used to require an entire warehouse a decade ago. A bottle of craft beer costs pennies to brew and sells for $2 to $6 in bars and specialty shops. Every time someone drops a coffee capsule into their machine, they are paying an enormous markup on a few cents of ground coffee. This machine fills empty capsules compatible with the major coffee systems already in people's kitchens, then seals them shut with foil in seconds. Around $3,000 gets you a machine that lets you launch a private label capsule brand using Origin coffee and specialty roasts, a category with strong perceived value in international markets. One with a 3D printer knows Filament is expensive for what it actually is. This desktop extrusion line melts raw plastic pellets and extrudes them into calibrated 1.75 millimeter filament, ready to spool. As the 3D printing hobby keeps growing, independent filament brands, especially ones with an eco-friendly angle, are in demand. Entry cost is around $2,300. Compare the price of ordinary cooking oil to anything labeled cold-pressed on a specialty shelf. The gap is enormous, and this machine is what creates that gap for about $1,200. This screw press extracts oil from over 20 types of seeds and fruits, from sunflower to avocado to sesame, using pure mechanical pressure with no heat or chemicals involved. A liter of cold-pressed avocado or coconut oil with an origin label sells for several times the cost of industrial oil. Raw honey, straight from the comb, eventually crystallizes because of natural yeasts. This stainless steel tank heats the honey to a controlled temperature that removes those yeasts without damaging the honey, while filtering out wax and pollen at the same time. The result is clean, shelf-stable, golden honey ready to bottle. Raw honey, bought cheaply from beekeepers and repackaged under a branded label, with an origin story, sells for several times more in specialty stores, around $3,900 on Alibaba. More than 120 countries have restricted single-use plastic straws, leaving restaurants and cafes scrambling for alternatives that are usually imported at a high cost. This multi-cut production line rolls, glues, and cuts food-grade paper into straws at hundreds per minute. A paper straw costs half a cent to 2 cents to produce and sells wholesale for several times that at $10,000. This machine targets an already desperate customer base: restaurants, hotels, and catering companies that need a steady local supplier. This is a recurring revenue business by design, because clients need multiple sessions spaced out over months. This professional-grade diode laser uses a built-in cooling system to keep the treatment comfortable while targeting hair follicles at the root. A full-body session takes under an hour. Small aesthetic studios running just one unit report several $1,000s a month because every client repper essence. A full series of pre-booked sessions, not a single sale, around $3,500 on Alibaba. Notice the ice covering fresh fish at any seafood counter. It is flat and dry, not cubed, because flake ice cools faster and does not damage delicate product. This machine produces it continuously in bulk. Producing a kilo costs a couple of cents in electricity and daily demand from fish markets, sushi restaurants, and food processing facilities never stops. Suppliers running local ice delivery routes for multiple businesses report thousands of dollars a month. A single liter of pure lavender essential oil sells wholesale for $30 to $80, while the raw plant material can cost only a few dollars. This stainless steel distiller passes steam through flowers, leaves, or peels, carrying the volatile oils with it, then condenses and separates the oil from the water automatically. It works with lavender, rosemary, eucalyptus, mint, citronella, and citrus pales. Producers selling to cosmetic labs, soap makers, and spas under their own regional brand report strong margins. Around $650 on Alibaba. The same plastic restrictions driving demand for paper straws are driving demand for paper bags. And this machine handles the entire process automatically, gluing the tube, forming the square bottom, and attaching handles at up to 100 bags per minute. Priced between $7,000 and $13,000. It targets supermarkets, bakeries, and boutiques that need tens of thousands of bags every month at a cost of pennies per bag to produce. Cutting ceramic or porcelain tile by hand without chipping the edge is genuinely difficult, which is why this computer-controlled cutter fills a real service gap. A triple diamond blade system profiles, pre-cuts, and finishes tile, marble, and stone slabs in a single pass with extremely tight precision at around $1,250. This opens the door to a custom cutting service for distributors and installers who cannot achieve that finish on their own. Charged per cut, boho-style wall hangings, plant holders, and fringed decor are everywhere right now, and almost all of the cotton rope behind them is imported. This industrial braiding machine twists cotton, polyester, nylon, or jute into rope and cord of adjustable thickness using multiple spindles at once. A kilo of cotton rope costs a few dollars to produce and sells for several times that to a growing community of macrame artisans. Industrial grade units run around $16,000. Demand for nougat multiplies during the holiday season, but this machine works year-round, producing bars from sugar, honey, nuts, and seeds, flattening the mixture and cutting it into uniform bars. The same setup also makes cereal bars, sesame bars, and energy bars. A bar costs 50 cents to $1 to produce and sells for $4 to $12 with good artisan packaging. Around $5,600 on every single person on the planet needs water every single day. This compact plant uses reverse osmosis filtration paired with an automatic filling and sealing line that forms the bottle, sterilizes it with UV light, fills it, and seals it, producing thousands of units per hour. A bottle costs a fraction of a cent to produce. In smaller cities without a local bottling plant, water gets trucked in from elsewhere, meaning the first person to set up local production owns the entire route with no competition at around $688. It is the cheapest entry point on this list into one of the largest markets that exists.